Hello, my name is Tim Ilgeth and welcome to my patent NFT application project. So, what if every patent could be owned, traded, and monetized like a digital asset? My patent NFT application transforms the $180 billion IP market by turning patents into tradable NFTs. So, what problems does this solve? 1. Patents are illiquid assets locked in legal frameworks with no real way to know their market value. 2. No current efficient way to trade, invest in, or fractionalize patent ownership. 3. Investors struggle to monetize their IP very quickly. 4. People struggle with patent searching at the USPTO, let alone global patents. So I'm introducing the first AI-powered patent NFT marketplace. The core features of which we'll go ahead and get started here on the home page, and then we'll continue on with that. So the home page, I've stuck with a very kind of minimalist, professional-looking interface where you've got pop-ups, things move a little bit, just to kind of highlight the professionalism of this application. I've got a banner here showing how users have interacted with the application, what the application does, some of the featured NFTs that are currently being minted, traded, highlights of what's going on with these different NFTs. And if you wanted to start minting your own NFT, you can do that here. And here's the footer, built for innovation and IP protection. My hope is to get this global, not just at the USPTO. I've added a header here for easy navigation. Your light and dark modes are here. You can connect your wallet, and I've got a little modal that pops up that you've done it successfully, or disconnect, showing how you interact with the blockchain that these will be on. So let's go ahead and try out light mode for a second and look at the marketplace. So at the marketplace, you can see the different NFTs that are here and search by using filters or plain language. And if you wanted to search patents, let's go ahead and go back to the dark mode. You can search the same way here, or if you'd like, you can also use an AI assistant. So you don't have to be quite as formal like you would with a standardized search, but you can use the AI assistant to do that searching for you, and it will search through the database of the USPTO, which I'm currently working on a API to get that to work. You can also search global patents. My hope is to make this a global blockchain marketplace, and very possibly down the road, maybe allowing patents to be NFTs and not be locked into the slow framework that they're currently in now. And now say I'm an inventor and I'd like to mint my own NFT, or I found a patent that currently doesn't have an owner that I'd like to get an NFT for and trade that on the marketplace. I can search a by number here, and this would verify that the patent is actually valid. You can preview how the metadata looks for the NFT that represents the patent, and then you can actually mint it, which the owner of this application, of course, would get a kickback percentage of this minting. So this is pretty well how this all looks so far. I'm working on an API currently, so that's not done yet, but you've got wallet connections, you've got light and dark mode, you've got your professional interface, and mostly a really big motivation to move intellectual property into a much more streamlined, up-to-date way of trading, funding, and helping grow innovation in our country and around the world. And that is the hope that I have for this application. Thank you very much for watching.